Oh, watch your head, watch your head. We all go a little mad sometimes. Okay guys, I'm not exactly sure where we are. Rex Hall? No, this is, I don't know what this is. At Rex. Not sure what it is, but it did say like you go up to the 3rd floor and you're not in Chinatown anymore, whatever that means. I like it, it's pretty cool. Not much really here, but there's stuff down there. Looks like maybe a venue through there. It's toilets that way. But yeah, see, this is book access, rooftop dining. So yeah, this is like a cool venue here. I believe for like music and stuff maybe, I don't know, performance. Which is pretty cool. Yeah, I'm thirsty. Ah, there's this guy on the outside. I don't really know where this is. I mean, it says there Rex Hall. Rex Hall. So whatever that is. But yeah, it seems like more kind of cool, boutique-y. Yeah, I think like Shoreditch or like Brooklyn type situation. There's this cool guy out here on the outside. You know, it seems a bit more modern, hipsterish. Hipster is the word. Hipster. You know, arty Brick Lane, Shoreditch, Brooklyn type situation. Okay, I'm going to toilet. Bye. Oh, it's literally just a bookshop. It's a pretty cool bookshop. Can you find the cheeky monkey? Yes. Yeah, it looks really cool. I mean, it's just a bookshop. Just say, walk up to the 3rd floor, which is this one, and you leave Chinatown, which I guess means, you're then using your imagination. You're getting into somebody else's world through books, through reading. I think, whoa, I'm going to sit my head on that one. Okay, let's go. Wow, look all the way up there, people. All the way up there.
How do you get it?
I guess you have to know what you're looking for. Math. Well, that's all the way up there. Nobody needs that. Wow. And then you literally... Ah, this is where it's a whole new world. You get lost in here, people. You can get lost. Lost in the books. Oh. Okay. And obviously here... There's that venue I was telling you about. Looks pretty cool. I can imagine doing a few things here. Wow. It reminds me a bit of like inside of an English theatre. Kind of. It looks like they might have a gallery upstairs as well. I'll try and get up there. Let's get up there. It's really interesting because everybody seems to be like a place to come. Everybody seems to be taking photos of themselves. Here. Oh, watch your head, watch your head. Lots of selfies to be had. Yeah, it must be a pretty cool place to come. There's a painting. Oh, it's not a gallery. Just one painting. I don't know, some more artwork over here. Something is closed. And then we found Usher here. We all go a little mad sometimes. It's like when I sick here up here. So as you can kind of see here, over here, there's I think a mosque. Maybe you can't see. There's trees. Mosque here. Pretty cool one. Look at this. Wow. That there to me almost looks like Indian though. Maybe I'm wrong there. And then this would be... Yeah, hang on, let me just check what it is. So just over here where you can hear the call to prayer coming from is Masjid Jamek of Kuala Lumpur, and over there is Sultan Abdul Samad building here and here. So obviously this is a mosque, hence the call to prayer. Sounds good. Maybe this is the one we can hear from our place. Maybe it's a bit too far away actually. And when we get a bit closer, I'll show you, or at least past these trees, I'll show you more of it. Yeah, you can see it's quite intricate here with all the arches, and then the I'm going to say steeples, but steeples probably not the right word. And then the central kind of bulbous situations. What are they called? I can't remember what they're called. Sorry, can't remember what they're called. If you know what they're called, let me know down below. Okay guys, I think we're gonna go up on the monorail up there. Not sure how it all works. I guess once we work it out, we'll let you know how to work it out, and we'll work it out. Yeah. You may need to get a card or something. I don't know. Okay, well, I just gonna do it over there. Let's see.
What I have?
So,
it's a Malaysian travel card for metro. I don't know if for bus, but for metro for sure.
okay, so Asha didn't explain what it was. I mean, how much it was. She worked it out. She found it. She got in the queue. She talked to the lady. She got it sorted for us.
Yeah, but the lady before me was topping up this card, and I was like, wow, cool, so we can get a travel card. So I bought it. It was 15 with the 10 IM already on it. So
yeah, so it costs 15 ringgit, and basically it's got 10 credit on it. So you're paying like 5 for the card, I guess, as a deposit, and then you get 10 on top. So that's good. So we are going on this one to Kelana Jaya. Well, Kelana Jaya line, that's ours. So yeah, you then kind of have to know where you're going. Obviously you need to know where you are, and then you try and look on the map, which is kind of extensive, but not too bad. Not too bad. I've had worse. Like New York is worse, maybe, for example. But there's a few lines, and then you kind of have to look at where your end. Yeah. So it's just like, yeah, it's just like New York, right? Just like New York. So you find out where you are. So let's use this as an example, shall we? So we are here, Masjid Jamek, right? And we want to go to KCC. So you look in the direction of your end destination, or at the end destination, the end of the line, and then you find it up there. Come back, and then you get on that side. So fairly simple. Hope you don't lose your Asha in the process. No, you haven't. That's good. There she is there. So then that's kind of how you work it out. I don't know how much that tap just cost us.
we will see when we go out, because when we were going in, it showed the credit of 10 ringgit. So hopefully when we touch out, we can look at the price.
Yeah, but on Google Maps it said 170, I think, but I think that's just if you're buying tickets, maybe. Maybe if you're just buying tickets. Yeah, it said, yeah, 170. But yeah, we'll double check that. We'll make sure that's all right. It's now 5 o'clock. Sunset's about 6:30. We're heading to the towers, by the way. If we didn't tell you that, I'm sure I did, and maybe I got confused as to what was happening before. And yes, that's it. That'll do. We're getting on. Here it is. Go back will be arriving within 2 minutes. Dun, dun, dun. So this is the metro. Yeah, so it cost 170 if you saw that. Okay, now we're going up. So we're kind of in a mall again, I think. Seems to be a lot of malls like attached to stations and things. It's kind of convenient, I guess. Sounds like there's live music somewhere. Hey, there we go. Maybe Usher could play here? No, not really. Okay guys, we found them. We didn't realise we found them, but we found them. They're up there, look. They're up there. We were literally walking along the road, going, where are they? Where are they? Thinking they were this way somewhere. And then we looked out and realised they were right there. They're right there. They're right there.